In this video, we review Pacific Life Insurance. Have you used Pacific Life Insurance before? What was your experience? Leave your Pacific Life Insurance review in the comments section below. Did you know that Pacific Life, founded in 1868, holds an A+ superior rating from AM Best, reflecting its strong financial stability? Additionally, it ranks above average in customer satisfaction, securing the 6th position in the J.D. Power 2023 Individual Life Insurance Study. These impressive credentials highlight Pacific Life's long-standing presence and reliability in the insurance industry. Pacific Life offers a diverse range of life insurance products, including term life, universal life, indexed universal life, and variable universal life policies. This variety allows customers to select coverage that aligns with their financial goals and protection needs. Notably, the company does not impose maximum coverage limits, accommodating clients seeking substantial coverage amounts. One of the significant advantages of Pacific Life is its competitive pricing, particularly for term life insurance. For instance, a 30-year-old non-smoking male in excellent health might pay approximately $17.16 per month for a 30-year, $250,000 term policy, which is competitive compared to industry averages. Moreover, Pacific Life's policies often include features like accelerated death benefit riders for terminal illness at no additional cost, enhancing the value provided to policyholders. Customer feedback generally reflects positively on Pacific Life. The company has a low complaint index of 0.086, indicating fewer complaints than expected for its size. This suggests a high level of customer satisfaction and effective service delivery. However, some users have noted that accessing funds from certain accounts can be cumbersome, indicating potential areas for improvement in customer service processes. Despite its strengths, Pacific Life has certain limitations. The company does not offer online quotes or applications, requiring potential customers to work directly with financial professionals or agents. This may be less convenient for individuals who prefer a digital-first approach. Additionally, Pacific Life does not provide whole life insurance policies, which might be a drawback for those specifically seeking this type of permanent coverage. In summary, Pacific Life Insurance stands out for its financial strength, diverse product offerings, and competitive pricing, particularly in term life insurance. Its commitment to customer satisfaction is evident through low complaint ratios and favorable rankings in industry studies. However, the absence of online application processes and whole life insurance options may be considered disadvantages for some potential clients. Prospective policyholders should assess their specific needs and preferences, possibly consulting with a financial professional to determine if Pacific Life's offerings align with their life insurance objectives.